Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email in Webull using your mobile application. If you want to update or change the email linked to your Webull account, this tutorial will guide you through the correct and official step. First of all, launch the Webull mobile app open on your iPhone or Android. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Webull, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu button, tap on your nickname or your display name at the top of the screen. This will open up the Account and Security tab. Click on Email. On the next page, click on Link a new email button. Now enter your current password for your Webull account to change your email to a new one. Make sure to type in the correct password in the text box and tap on Next. On the next page, you'll be asked to verify your current email. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive a one-time code in it. After typing down the code, on the next page, you'll need to enter your new email you want to change to. Once you type down the new email, click on Next. Now verify the new email as well. Go check your new emails inbox and look for a verification code inside. Once you find the 6-digit verification code, type it down in the text box. And there you have it. You have changed your email address. Now get back and look for the email tab under Account and Security and you'll be able to see your newly updated email in it. So that's how you easily change your email address in Webull. You'll receive a notification in both your old and new emails confirming the change. The new email that you entered becomes your new Webull login. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.